Hello and welcome to a short overview of the access rights management software 8man. 8man is an access rights management solution for your Active Directory, file server, SharePoint, and Exchange. What I'm going to do in the next 3 minutes is just take you through a couple basic use cases so you can have a good idea of what the product does and its capabilities. So after logging onto the software, you get taken to the home page, and all I want to find out is who has access to a specific resource, in this case a folder on the file server. So all you do with 8man is type in the name of that folder, so in this case the finances folder, and just click on it simply. You're then taken automatically over to the resources view. On the left hand side of the screen you can see all the resources you can manage, and on the right hand side of the screen you have your access rights. So what you can do simply is you can find out who has full control, modify, so on and so forth. But you also have a list view in the bottom right hand side of the screen of all users who have access to the folder through one path or another. You can click on this user to see how they have access, and what you can do more importantly is you can see what else they have access to. So by right clicking on the user and going to show access rights to resources, I can see he has access to the file server, of course, and I can see which folders he has access to. From there you can take a look at the group memberships of a user, so we're just going to click show in accounts view, and what I'm looking at right now is our AD bubble graph, and what this does is it shows you the Active Directory group memberships of this user. So all I want to do is remove him from one of these groups, so you simply right click, you have your full administrative capabilities, the ability to delete users for example, go to change group memberships, I'll remove him from the C-level group, add a comment. Now, it's critical that you add a comment, otherwise 8man will not allow you to make a change, because what we're going to do is track all those changes. So I've hit immediately, the change has been made. He's been instantly pulled from that group, and if I want to take a quick look at all the changes that have been made today, I just go over to the logbook and I can see, okay, we have a series of 5 different changes that have been taken. I have the change from right now. I see this user was removed from this group at this date and time by this person. I can see a full description of the change over here on the right hand side, and we're going to track activity that occurs in Active Directory no matter who makes the change and how. So if they're making a change using native tools or another solution, we're going to display that. Now the last key fundamental aspect of 8man that needs to be shown is just a quick report. So if we go back to that first question, who has access to the finances folder, what I want to do is run a quick report on it. So find the folder, use a straight user view, list view, and hit start. So what it's going to do, it's going to generate a PDF report. You can set these reports to occur on a monthly or weekly basis depending on the time frame you want, and be sent automatically as an email attachment. But for now, let's just take a quick look at the report. So all of the reports look pretty much the same depending on how you format it and depending on the configuration. What we have is a simple list view of all users who have access to the finances folder. So that's 8man in 3 minutes. For further questions, contact your distributor or your local 8man salesperson. Thank you.